this is Marko, and I'm going to show you how to check Snapchat saved photos. So you need to open up your Snapchat. Once you open up your Snapchat, you want to click on top left to open up your profile, and then top right to open the gear icon. Then you want to scroll down until you get to see memories. As you can see, memories are right over here above, below notifications. So click on memories. So for example, you have some saved destinations. So you have auto save my story snaps. So you can auto save them to memories, or you can just say don't auto save them. And you see save my eyes only by default, that you also want to have it turned on. Now let's go back. Once you are back, so one thing to do is to swipe up, and then you can swipe down, and then you're going to see your memories. Or you can just click on this like gallery icon at the bottom left, and it's going to open up the memories. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.